back. If you're going through a divorce or having child custody issues, one of the most challenging tasks can be finding a good, affordable attorney to handle your case. And it's not just the attorney you're hiring. Board-certified family law specialist Bud Kluick joins us again, and you brought someone from your firm with you.
I certainly did. Amy Clark, who's one of our very skilled paralegals.
Right, and you know, going through divorce or child custody, whatever it is, it's one of the toughest times in most people's lives, and not hiring the right legal team to handle your case can really hurt you financially and emotionally as well, right?
Absolutely, Greg, and it's important that it be a team. There's a lot of kind of standalone attorneys who are one-man bands or one-woman band, so to speak. I was myself about 15, 20 years ago when I started my practice, but now we have a whole team of people assisting people who hire us. And in these tough times, there's a lot of looking for bargains, looking for ways to save money, and some of that can be false savings. For example, let's take a hypothetical where you have a standalone attorney who charges, let's say, $250 an hour. By the way, none of these numbers actually are numbers in our firm, but so it's totally hypothetical. And there's another attorney that has a team behind him or her that's, say, $350 an hour. Now, you would think you're going to save money by hiring the $250 person, but the $350 person actually has a lot of people underneath him or her working at $100 an hour, filling out forms, filling out envelopes, meeting with the clients and stuff like that. The total bill will be less, even though the top person charges more, because you have a lot of people behind him or her that charge at a much less rate, a much lower rate. And so that's a false savings.
Yeah, and this may be something, you know, people don't know when they first meet the attorney. They have no idea who their team, or if they even have a team behind them.
Well, that's another way. There's so much available tools to investigate, for example, the internet, so you can find out a lot more about the law firm before you take that plunge. And also, we offer a free half-hour consultation, so that's another way. Come and meet the person, and if they want to meet the team, they'll see a lot of people scurrying around with papers in my office, some folks like Amy, paralegals and other assistants, and they can see that team behind us.
And Amy, something a lot of people, you know, don't check out. I mean, you probably don't meet most of the clients before they're actually hired, but hiring an experienced paralegal or having an experienced paralegal or team of paralegals behind the attorney is really crucial, isn't it?
Definitely.
Just having someone that has the experience.
That's correct. It'll just make the client more comfortable knowing that they have a full team of legal professionals that are there to help them.
Right. And
Amy was mentored, by the way, by our chief paralegal, Tina Mays, who has 22 years experience as a paralegal.
Correct.
Was that a good experience?
I couldn't have asked for a better trainer or, you know, mentor. She's wonderful. I go to her for every question I have, and she can always answer my questions. So.
Well, attorneys call up Tina to ask her questions.
Right. Let's talk about service, because, you know, that's a common problem. A lot of people, they hire an attorney, they may pay the money, and then trying to get that return phone call or return email can really be tough. You guys have a different policy at your firm, right?
Yes, Greg. We have a policy that we will reply to an email or return phone call within 1 day. And that's the other advantage of having a team behind you rather than just a standalone attorney. Because I'm in court a lot, Greg, but when I'm in court, there's usually one or two other attorneys. We have three, Ellen Swaim and Kimberly Kirkpatrick, two other attorneys in the office. We have two paralegals in the office, and between the four of them, they return any inquiry, any email, or any phone call within 1 business day. That's our policy.
All right, bottom line, what should people going through a divorce, very quickly, what should they be looking for?
They should be looking for experience. They should be looking for certified specialists, certified by the state bar. They should be looking at the experience throughout the team. And they should be looking for compatibility, because they take advantage of a half-hour free consultation, for example, and to see if you can be comfortable with this person.
All right.
You're going to be living with them for a while, and they're going to be very important to you.
All right. Certified family law specialist Bud Kluick and paralegal Amy Clark, thank you so much for joining us today, guys. All right. And, of course, more information, go to our website, san diego6.com. San Diego Living is coming right back.